Good morning everyone. This is Kamikawa Kaelan. Last time, the transcription accuracy of the subtitle creation application, VRU, was extremely poor in normal usage. As it is, the accuracy is inferior to transcription of YouTube, so I explained that it is useless. Sorry to the author. However, if you adjust the speed of the video with an app called Video Day, how accurate the transcription is, we have reported that it will be improved to a revolutionary accuracy of 96.8%. It's hard to believe this, but I think VRU's transcription is extremely narrow in suitability with videos. In other words, I think there is a lot of variation. In fact, even if you don't do anything, there is also a video that can be transcribed quite beautifully as it is. As I confirmed, English videos can be transcribed quite beautifully, and even if it's Japanese, it's a beautiful transcription. I found that there was something that couldn't be transcribed at all. I'm not sure where the difference comes from, but I don't think it's just the difference in speaking speed, that is, fast or slow. I don't think it's just the difference between women and men. Sure, I feel that speaking slowly and female voices are more accurate, apparently that's not all. In other words, so-called sound quality, whether the sound is widespread, muffled, echoed or not etc., seem to have a subtle effect. When I contacted the person in charge of VRU about this matter, I received the following email. It is, "Hello, VRU team. Thank you for using. I saw the 2 videos you sent me. How to improve the accuracy of speech recognition done in VRU. Thank you for your verification. It was very helpful. I was contacted. Well, it doesn't seem to be very trusted. I don't know the cause. With an app called Video Day, slow down between 84% and 92% if you load the video into VRU. The transcription accuracy will improve. That can be reproduced no matter how many times you do it. That is my firm claim at the moment. I hope everyone will check this matter as well. This time at Yahoo Answers from WHQ. I want you to explain a more specific operation method. I received a request, so I would like to introduce the operation method concretely this time, so I would like you to take a look. Let's take a look now. 1. First, use an app called Video Day to slow down and save the video. The appropriate speed of the video depends on the video. There seems to be some variation in the range of 0.84 to 0.92, I am currently choosing 0.86. However, if it is 0.82 or less, or 0.94 or more, from experience, the transcription accuracy is worse. If 0.86 didn't work, I'm adjusting this number. At this time, I feel that not only the speed but also the sound quality is changing on Video Day. I feel a little echoed and the sound is a little muffled and low. This is a feature of Video Day that other apps do not have. Sound quality changes in VLLO and InShot as well, but the speed cannot be set to 0.02 units. 2. Load the video into VRU. Click Import Manuscript from the VRU menu. 4. Click Load Current Subtitles. 5. Manually modify the subtitles transcribed in VRU. At this time, with an app called Documents, correcting is easier if you work while playing the video in picture-in-picture. When making corrections, one phrase should be within 2 lines, 44 characters, for easy viewing. A line break is used to separate the clauses. We recommend that you leave one more line between clauses. Even if you can't open it, the line breaks will be recognized, but it is easy to see, so it is recommended to open one line. 6. When completed, copy the subtitles and save them in the Memo app. 7. Click Finish and Confirm to finish. 8. Load the original video into VRU. 9. Click Load Current Subtitles. 10. Paste the subtitles created in 6 here. 11. Click Finish and Confirm. The rest is VRU. While playing the video, please adjust the subtle timestamp. If you want to create a YouTube subtitle file, such as an SRT file, instead of tweaking the timestamp in VRU, save it as an SRT file immediately and on a PC. With a software called Subtitle Edit, it's much faster to restore or modify the timestamp speed. I will show you how to use Subtitle Edit at another time. That is the end. How was it? I think the work itself is easy. In the case of VRU, the rate of missing characters is much higher than typographical errors. I think that this method will improve missing characters considerably. However, the typo part is unless you change the transcription engine, Google's speech-to-text itself. I think it would be difficult to make further improvements. For those who are suffering from low VRU transcription accuracy with this method, I hope it helps you a little. I have this method for now. I think VRU transcription is a little better than YouTube transcription. Maybe it's the same Google engine, so it may have the same accuracy. For functions other than transcription, automatic synchronization, etc., VRU is much better than YouTube Studio. That's all.